So let us continue. Page number 149, 22nd question we are solving. So like these questions will be asked in exam. It's very easy. The earlier videos which I uploaded, please one time or two times if you do not understand any concept. Now we'll solve the problems now. See what he says. Mr. X furnishes the following details of his salary income. Okay, so he's asking to compute his salary, taxable salary. It's very easy. So first his basic salary is given 1,80,000. DA is 56,000. This is DNS allowance. It is becoming part of salary. City compensative allowance 6,000. Entertainment allowance 8,000. Traveling allowance 9,000 is given. 50% is spent. Bonus is 10,000. Commission is 12,000. House rent allowance, rent paid is 18,000 and allowance is 12,000. HRA is given. Free use of chauffeur driven motor car of 1.8% cc with expenses of which are met by employer. So the car is big car. The car is owned by employer and the expenses is also paid by employer. Okay. In that case, what we have to do? We have to do 1.8%. See here. What we are saying, the car is owned by the employer. Expenses also met by employer. So he is not saying anything about the car is used by the partly use or fully used by the employee. Who is using the car? Where is he using? He is using in the office, or he is using in the private purpose, or partly private, partly official. So we have to assume that it is partly private and partly official. So it is a big car. It is more than 1.86 cc. It is big car because more than 1.6 cc. So we have to take 2,400 per month plus driver. We have to take 900. Okay. So like this will be given in an exam. Next, free gifts received in kind from employer 14,000. See, if you receive gift in cash, fully taxable. If you receive gift in cash, fully taxable. If you receive in kind, up to 5,000 is exempt. If you receive a gift in kind from employer, up to 5,000 exempt. Over 5,000 it is taxable. Own contribution to RPF not taxable. Employer contribution to RPF we have to see how much is that. 18,000. So that 12% we have to find out first. Okay. Interest on RPF is 12%, 7,200 we have to check. Compute his taxable salary. So we have to compute his taxable salary. We have to see. So it's very easy. We'll find out his taxable salary also. So we'll prepare a format. So heading is computation of Mr. X income from salary. So computation of Mr. X income from salary for the AY 2020-21. Particulars, amount in a column, amount outer column. Okay. The format we know, right? The format we have to draw. The entire format. Salary, then allowances, perquisites, provident fund, like that we have to do. So first I am writing here. First is salary. Okay. In salary what all will come, that will write. In salary will come basic salary 1,80,000 per annum. So let me write basic salary 1,80,000. Or I'll leave some space and I'll write the everything. Okay. After salary I'll leave some space. I'll write here allowances. That will be easy to solve. Allowances, how many we are having? 5 allowances we are having. After 5 allowances we are having perquisites. Having 3 perquisites. Then we'll write provident fund. Then we'll write here gross salary. Then we have deduction under section 16. Under section 16. Okay. So first we'll write entertainment employment tax, that is professional tax. Then entertainment tax. Then standard deduction is up to 50,000 exempt. Standard deduction is up to 50,000. Okay, then we get income from salary. So we write one after the other. We have written salary, allowances, perquisites, provident fund. Then we will get the gross salary. Then we have written deductions. I have written deduction. We are having 3 deduction. One is professional tax, entertainment allowance, and standard deduction 50,000. Okay. So first I have written salary here. Next we are having DA 56,000. That is allowance. DA is a dearness allowance 56,000. It is becoming part of salary. Okay, after that we are having CCA, city compensation allowance 6,000. CCA 6,000, city compensatory allowance 6,000. After that we are having entertainment allowance 8,000, fully taxable. The items which I am writing, that is fully taxable. You see the list, you will understand. Allowances list 8,000, entertainment allowance. After that we are having traveling allowance 9,000, 50% is exempt, 50% is spent. Traveling expenses total is 9,000. How much is unspent? 50%. Unspent you have to take. Spent is 50%, is saying unspent is 50%. Then we are having bonus 10,000. Bonus is a part of salary. Bonus is a part of salary. Bonus we have tried 9,000, sorry 10,000. Then after that we are having commission. Commission is also part of salary. Commission we have tried 12,000. Okay, after commission HRA we have to see. We'll do HRA, then I'll write HRA, but how much is taxable, that we'll write later. Okay, we'll do working note. Then free use of chauffeur driven by, so it is a motor car. Okay, expenses made by employer, so made by employer is paying expenses. Okay, so what we have to do, 1800 per month plus driver how much, 900. So 900 per month for driver. So how much is driver, sorry 2400 plus 900, 2400 plus 900 into 12 months. We have to do 12 months, we are getting 39,600. This 2 you have to multiply with 12. 2400, the car is big, it is 1.8 cc. So 1.8 cc means more than 1.6 cc. So you have to take 2400 per month and 900 for driver. So 13,600, 39,600, 2400 plus 900 we am doing. So you get 3,500. 2,400 plus 900, sorry 3,300 into 12 you get 39,600. You are getting the motor car. Gifts received in cash, in kind. So gifts you are receiving means gifts you have received total 14,000. From 14, 5,000 is exempt. Gifts is perquisite. So 9,000 is taxable. Okay. After gifts what we are having, own contribution to RPF, provident fund you have to write. Own contribution not taxable. Own contribution not taxable. Employer contribution we have to see. Employer contribution we have to see. Okay, and we have to see interest credited to RPF. Interest credited to on RPF, in excess of 9.5% is taxable. How much is paying? 12% he is paying, but how much is exempt? 9.5% is exempt. Okay, so now we have to do working note for HRA, house rent allowance. We have to do working note. So first we'll do working note for house rent allowance. Computation of taxable HRA. Okay, so where is he staying? List of the following we have to do, right? List of the following. He is staying in Chennai. Chennai is metro city. So Roman number 1, 50% of salary. Okay, salary means basic pay plus DA. How much is basic pay? 180. You can see here from your format 180 and DA is 56,000. So 1,80,000 plus 56,000. So 180 plus 56, we are getting 2,36 per thousand into 50%. We are getting 1,18,000. Roman number 2, actual HRA received. How much we received actually? 12,000. Next, Roman number 3, rent paid minus 10% of salary. How much is rent paid? Rent paid is 18,000 minus 10% of salary is 2,36 means 23,600. Okay, we are getting minus answer, negative answer. 18,000 minus 2,36,000. 23,600 minus 18,000. So we are getting answer in minus 5,600. Whenever you get minus 5,600, not exempt. Okay, whenever you get rent paid minus 10% of salary, exempt is not given, so fully taxable. So how much we received HRA? Taxable HRA. So this is important, could be asked for 5 marks. You get negative answer. Negative means fully is taxable. HRA taxable is how much received, actual received minus exempt HRA. So HRA received is 12,000. Exempt is nil, you have to take. Why you have to take nil? Because the answer is negative. From 18,000 you deduct 23,600, you get negative. So 12,000 is taxable. So this is important. This could be asked for 5 marks. Don't get confused in exam when you get negative answer. So we are getting 12,000 as HRA. Working note number 1. Okay. Next we have to do interest credited to recognized provident fund. So recognized provident fund. Okay, so what we have to say, whenever employee own contribution is not taxable. Own means employee is contributing, not taxable. Always ignore this always. Whenever given in the question own contribution, ignore. Then employer contribution. What we are saying, employer contribution is up to 12% is exempt. Up to 12% is exempt. Okay, so we have to see 12%. Up to 12% is, we can write tax free. So we have to find out first salary. Salary means we have found out, right? Basic pay plus DA here 2,36,000. So 2,36,000 into 12% you do. In 28,320. So how much is HRA? We are he's contributing 18,000. So he's contributing 18,000 and 28,300. So it is more. So interest employer contribution is nil. See how much is exempt? Till 28,320 is exempt. 28,320 is exempt. But how much is contributing? Is contributing only 18,000. That is also exempt. Okay, interest to RPF. Up to 12% is exempt. Oh, 9.5% is exempt. Exempt, no? But how much is given in question? 12% is 7,200. He contributed 12%. 12% is not taxable. Up to 9.5% is exempt. So you do cross multiplication. 9.5 into 7,200 divided by 12%. 9.5 into 7,200 divided by 12. You get 5,700. So up to 5,700 is exempt. He has given for 12%. 12% is 7,200. We have to find out 9.5%. 9.5% we are getting 5,700. So from 7,200, 5,700 is exempt. So taxable is 1,500. This is total contribution. Exempt is 5,700. So we are getting 1,500. See what he is saying, up to 9.5% exempt. He says 7,200 is for 12%. We have to find out 9.5% is how much. So do cross multiplication, we are getting 5,700. So 5,700 is exempt. Total interest is how much? 7,200. From that, how much is exempt? 5,700. How much is taxable? 1,500. You have to come and you have to write here 1,500 as taxable. Okay. Let us do totals now. 1,80,000, 1,90,000, and 2,000 means 2,02,000 we are getting for salary. And here 56,000 plus 6,000 plus 8,000 plus 4,500, 12,000. We are getting 86,500 as allowances. Okay, next 39,600 plus 9,000, getting 48,600. 48,600, and perquisites we are having 1,500. So we'll do gross salary 2,02,000 plus 86,500 plus 48,600 plus 1,500, getting 3,38,600. From that you have to deduct deduction 50,000. So your salary is 2,88,600. Income from salary is 2,88,600. So like this you have to solve. Salary you have to write at one place, allowances you have to write one place, write perquisite at one place, provident fund you have to write at one place, and deductions you have to do. Okay, so this is a problem like this we have to solve.